Alright, we're here moving stuff around. Haven't had this fired up in a little while. Just gonna see if I can move it ahead here. I don't put that far. See if the battery's got any life left in it. I'm not gonna tighten it down, just gonna get her on there. See if she'll fire up. A couple of pumps. You can hear that it's got a little mini starter on it. High torque starter. I got to pull the transmission out. She's leaking a little bit of transmission fluid, and shifting linkage needs to be fixed. But I think I got her moved ahead here. Have to get out and find out. There she is. She still runs. Hopefully we'll get her there next year.